Hello, and thank you for viewing this NineSigma project introduction. NineSigma is a global leader in innovation services, bringing together clients with unmet needs and interested, tech-savvy individuals and organizations. You can think of NineSigma as 21st century technology matchmakers. And today, we're pleased to share with you one of our latest projects. NineSigma, on behalf of Equinor, is seeking proposals for approaches that will enable our client to install wireless sensors onto hard-to-access insulated pipes without the need for complex scaffolding. Installation by drone or other robotics technology could be of interest. Likewise, scaffolding that's lightweight and easy to use could also be of interest. For full project details, please visit the URL shown below. NineSigma's client is looking to have this technology operational and in place by the middle of 2020. Up to 5 proposed technologies will be tested and evaluated at Equinor locations, and each of the selected respondents will receive 5,000 euros. Should you need assistance with your submission, or perhaps you just have a quick technical question, please contact the NineSigma Provider Help Desk. The help desk can be reached by phone at the phone number listed on your screen, as well as via email at phd@ninesigma.com. Thank you for viewing this project introduction. Please visit ninesites.com for other project listings or to register to become a NineSigma solution provider. Thank you very much and have a good day.